The number of plants needed to fill a row in a farmer's field varies inversely. If 72 plants are needed when the plants are 24 centimeters apart, how many plants will be needed if the plants are 32 centimeters apart? Again, watch out. Do you have varies directly or varies inversely right now? The formula for varies inversely is x y equals k. So as we look at this here to get some information, it says are needed when the plants are 24 centimeters apart. That information is going to give us the constant, that k value there. So 72 times 24. Again, feel free to use Desmos. It's easier for me to use the calculator with my document camera. But 1728 equals k. And now we're going to take that value, I'm going to put it back into this formula for k. So it's going to be x. So let's look at the problem again. So we already dealt with if 72 plants are needed when the plants are 24 centimeters apart. How many plants will 32 centimeters apart? So essentially it's going to be x equals 1728. And then what we need to do is we need to divide, and that's going to give us our value here. So 1728 divided by 32 is 54. So 54 plants, which was an answer on our inner options. If we look at another problem here, too much stuff on my table, but the number of cups of sports drink that can be filled from a cooler varies inversely with the says 128 cups can be filled. And what we want to do here, let's see, write an equation that can be used to find the number of cups C of size problem. I start off reminding myself that the x, y equals k is the generic formula for varies inversely. And what we know in this particular case is that we're really working with cups and the size in ounces. And I'm really sorry to use S. Equals K. And what we know is that if each cup holds 6 ounces, so that's the S, 28 cups can be filled. So that's gonna, we'll multiply those two together, we can figure out what our constant variation is by taking 128 times 6, and we get 768. And now we're going to use that because what we want to do is we want to write an equation. So we've got CS equals 768. But it says, if we take a look back here at the problem, it says write an equation that can be used to find the number of cups. So we want to solve that equation that we just wrote down for cups equals 768 divided by S. And we'll just take a look. Oh, we don't have that option. But when we fill that in, it should be C equals, and I don't even know, oh, we can use our fraction button up here, 768